Think you know all about lung conditions? Bet you haven't heard of this one. Bronchiectasis is a lung condition where the airways are damaged and widened. This makes it tough for mucus to move out, causing infections and blockages. Common symptoms? Think persistent cough, lots of mucus, shortness of breath, and sometimes chest pain. Sounds tough, right? So what causes it? Infections like pneumonia, genetic conditions like cystic fibrosis, or even problems with your immune system. It's like your lungs' plumbing gets clogged up. But don't stress. Treatments are available. Doctors might suggest antibiotics for infections, special exercises to clear mucus, and sometimes even surgery. The key is early diagnosis and regular checkups. There you have it. Bronchiectasis in a nutshell. Keep your lungs happy and healthy. Catch you in the next video.